find the angle between the minute hand and hour hand of a clock when the time is 7:20. Now in the junior class, what you have done it, you have gone through this type of a question, but the question was only for the finding the angle when the time is 8, when the time is 8:15, 9:45, like this thing. Okay, but now now it has been changed. Now what it is, now we have to find when the time is 7:20. Now just look here. Suppose this is your watch. Now here it is 6 and here it is 12. 3 and 9. Now 7, this one is 7 and this one is 20. Now we have to find the angle for this part. Is it clear? So earlier what we were doing, that one complete revolution made by the hour hand, by the minute hand, sorry, it is what? One complete revolution is, now minute hand goes from here, and when it comes here it means 1 hour has been done. So 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree. So now we are doing something extra for it. Sorry. No. Angle described by the minute hand in 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. In 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree. Now we are having a little bit extra, it is 20. Okay. Now angle described by the minute hand in 20 minutes is equal to 360 upon 60 into 20. This is equal to 120 degree. Normally in class 10 you have gone through that 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees. Okay, so that's what we can write it, 20 minutes is equal to 120 degree. Okay, now angle described by the hour hand in 12 hours is equal to 360 degree. Now 12 hours, because the hour hand of the watch, it is first going for 1, then 2, then 3, then 1 complete revolution for the hour hand is in 12 hours. Okay, so angle described by the hour hand in 12 hours is equal to 360 degree. Now angle described by the hour hand in 7 hours 20 minutes, that is 720 by 60 hours is equal to 7 1 by 3 hours is equal to 22 by 3 hours. Okay, so angle described by the hour hand. Now angle described by hour hand in 22 by 3 hours is equal to 360 by 12 into 22 by 3. This is equal to 220 degree. Okay, I have just written this line again. I have just repeated this one. because I have put here 2 is equal to, okay, you can just go through like this, or you can just write it one and the same thing. Is it clear? Now required angle between hour hand and minute hand. Is equal to 220 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 100 degree. Required angle is equal to 100 degree. Answer.